Hello, welcome. This is Vicky. Welcome to part 2 of practicing words with ER sounds. I have a long list to practice again. Read along, repeat the words, pause the video anytime you need to. Don't forget to write these in your English notebook. Writing also helps you to remember the word. Okay, learn how to say words with sounds, like a native speaker of English. Please note that I say these words the way an American person normally speaks. Sometimes the T is said like a D sound, and so on. Okay, let's go. Joker, joker. Junior, junior. Liver, liver. Mister, mister. Neighbor, neighbor. Number, number. October, October. Offer, offer. Order, order. Painter, painter. Partner, partner. Player, player. Power, power. Reader, reader. Runner, runner. Sailor, sailor. Scholar, scholar. Senior, senior. Shower, shower. Singer, singer. Soldier, soldier. Speaker, speaker. Sugar, sugar. Super, super. Theater, theater. Tower, tower. Waiter, waiter. Walker, walker. Winner, winner. Writer or writer. Barber, barber. Builder, builder. Clever, clever. Climber, the B is silent. Climber. Cracker, cracker. Danger, danger. Diver, diver. Fighter, T sounds like a D. Fighter. Folder, folder. Funnier, funnier. Gather, gather. Ginger, The G sounds like a J. Ginger. Hanger. Hanger. Hiker. Hiker. Instructor. Instructor. The last T is said softly. Instructor. Investor. Investor. Jumper. Jumper. Later. The T sounds like a D. Later. Lumber. Lumber. Marker. Marker. Well, that's it for today. That was 50 words. I'll do another series on this one. I have many more words for you to practice. Great job. Thank you for practicing with me. See you next time. Bye-bye.